Sometimes you'll capture 360 videos that are very large, and these videos will take a long time to upload via our mobile app. To account for this, we've enabled a web upload option. So if you have larger videos or bulk videos, you can upload them on the web, which will take less time than uploading them via the mobile device. In order to do this web upload workflow, you start just by taking a 360 video. So here I am. I'm going to put a test video on the corner here. Camera high up. Record. When you're finished recording, go ahead and stop the recording. Great, now I can see the metadata of my latest capture. So instead of uploading the video, I'm gonna exit out. Verify that there are captures ready at the bottom. You can also see a new disconnect and sync button. This sync is referring to the sync indication pills that are new on the Upload Hub. You can see a mobile-ready sync indication pill and a desktop-ready indication pill. This mobile-ready pill indicates that you can upload this video through the ProjectSight mobile app. So yeah, you guessed it, all of these video cards are going to have the mobile-ready pill. This desktop-ready pill, however, only appears when the metadata of your video has been transferred to ProjectSight Web. Right now, as we speak, ProjectSight Web has the metadata from my video and is waiting to be able to match it, and I'll show you how that's done. If you don't see the desktop ready pill here on the card after you've taken your capture, you're probably not on cellular data. So you'll want to disconnect your camera, connect to Wi-Fi, and hit the sync button, or you'll want to wait until you're in an area with better cellular data. All right, so what happens now? I know that my capture is desktop ready. I'm gonna go ahead over to ProjectSight Web. Okay, I'm in my project in ProjectSight Web. First thing I want to do is actually connect my device's SD card to my computer so I can access the video files on the SD card. On my Insta360 X5, the way I access the SD card is by taking out the battery, like so. And the SD card is slotted here on the inside. Pop the SD card out. And I'll use an adapter to plug my SD card into my computer. Now in ProjectSight Web, I'll go to 360 Captures. You'll notice that this blue upload button has a red dot next to it. That's indication to me that there's a video that it's waiting for that hasn't been uploaded to the web yet. So I'm gonna click upload, and I'm gonna go grab my video from my SD card. And here, as you can see, it was able to match the video that I took to the metadata that existed. If you upload videos that ProjectSight isn't waiting for, it'll show up in this unmatched column. Great, now I'm ready. I hit upload all, and I can check the progress of my uploads right here. This will upload much more quickly than it would have on ProjectSight Mobile. And that's how you upload your 360 videos to the web. This is really great if your videos are very long or very big.